In today's video, I'm going to reveal 2 Python Easter eggs I bet you didn't know. The last one will shock you. First one is this module. When I run this, you will see some text. This text is created by Tim Peters and it's named the Zen of Python. Tim is a software engineer who created TimSort. You can Google him if you want. These lines are rules that you should follow if you want your code to be clean, faster, and better. For example, some of the rules that you already know is beautiful is better than ugly, or explicit is better than implicit, which means you should explicitly tell Python what to do, not expect him to do something. And flat is better than nested. You already know this, I mentioned in my previous videos, where I told you that you should use one for loop if you can, not nested for loops. Or use one if you can, and not nested ifs. If you want a detailed explanation about every line in Zen of Python, write down in the comments below and I will make a video about it, with examples, of course. The second Easter egg is again some module, this time named anti-gravity. You will see what will happen when I run this. This directed me to a website where you can read some comics and some Python strips if you want. This is the first one. You can go to next one, which is this one, and to next one, and so on. When I found out about this, I was pretty amazed and shocked. If you like these Easter eggs, I suggest you check my list on Python tips and tricks playlist. It has a lot of interesting tricks that you will absolutely love. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss my next video.